So the last thing I wanted to talk about tables was some simple formulas. So you can see I just got a little simple table here. I've put some numbers down here, and numbers in here. In Word, it's exactly the same as Excel. So this is column A, this is column B, this is column C, and this is column D. This is row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, row 6, row 7, row 8. And so this little spot here is called A1. It's column A, row 1. This one here, column B, row 1, is called B1. This one is B2. This one is A2. So I'm going to start by putting in the formula that will total these ones up. And this one will happen automatically. So if I just put my cursor down the bottom there, and I go formula, and based on the information that I have in my table, Word has assumed that I want to sum everything that is above that, which is exactly what I want to do. I can just click OK, but I can also do things like change the format. So if I wanted to have decimal places, for example, I could set decimal places. If I wanted to have dollar signs, I could include dollar signs. So there's a variety of different formats that I can use here. I'm just going to go, let's go with 2 decimal places just for the fun of it. Sum above, click OK, and there's my response. Really, really easy. And I guess you can check that and add that up to make sure that it's done that. To actually put a formula in, what I want to do here is I want to multiply A1 by B1. So A1 times B1. In computers, the times symbol is the asterisk. And you'll see that above the 8 key, or if you've got a full keyboard that has a number pad, you'll see plus, minus, the asterisk and the slash, which is the divide key, around the number pad. So in here, I just put formula. I don't want to sum it left, so I'm just going to backspace over that. And I'm just going to type it in. It is A1 times by B1. And press enter. Hopefully the answer is 9. Now in Excel, if you were smart, you'd actually just be able to copy that down. Unfortunately, there is no real easy way to do that in Word. You can kind of copy paste, but then you have to go back in and edit each one, and then you have to make sure that it recalculates it. So it's actually, for a small table like this, it's actually easier just to put it in each time. So if I wanted to do the next one, I would just go down there. I would go create formula, and same thing, I'll delete that. This time it is A2 times B2. I can change the number format if I wanted to, but I'm not going to, and click OK, and then we get the number 8. So you can do that for each one and work your way down. If you go Alt F9, so that's Alt and function 9, you can actually see the formulas in there. So it's a good way of displaying it just to see what you've done. Alt F9 to cancel that.